Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your own route on Google Maps. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Google Maps primarily provides directions for the fastest route based on current traffic conditions. While you can't create completely custom routes with multiple waypoints directly within the Google Maps app, you can add multiple destinations to your trip, effectively creating a multi-stop route. So here's how you can do it. Step 1. Launch the Google Maps. Step 2. Tap the search bar and enter your starting point. Step 3. After setting your endpoint, now let's do the starting point. To do this, tap on choose your starting location. You can either choose on map or choose your location, and also by tapping the location manually. Now, tap add a stop, tap on the three dots on the top right corner, then on the options appear, then tap on choose destination, and tap on the relevant results. If you want to rearrange the order, you can tap and hold on the destination, then drag it to the desired position. Step 7. Once you've added all your destinations and arranged them in the desired order, done or directions button to get the directions for your multi-stop route. Step 8. Now, by going on steps, follow the turn-by-turn directions provided by Google Maps to navigate through your custom route with multiple stops, and also by tapping on the three dots and choose to tap on add route to home screen to easily access it with one tap. While this method allows you to plan a route with multiple stops, Google Maps will still try to optimize the order for the most efficient travel. For more advanced route planning with specific waypoints, you might want to consider using other route planning apps or websites, and then follow the directions on Google Maps. Please note that the app features and interface might change over time, so it's a good idea to check for any updates or changes to the Google Maps app on the Google Play Store, or refer to the app's official documentation for the most current information. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.